Here's Superchinese App, Learn Chinese, #1 Chinese self-study app which you can try. Quite a lot of people use this app actually to learn Chinese. It's getting some good traction. Chinese self-learning, 180 plus real life topics, clear lesson structure, unlimited speaking practice. So know exactly where I pronounce it. So, and then you can just open it up, and that's kind of the idea. Then here you see your profile, how you can just start learning. It's and then you see it like this. Me, me, me,
你好
That's kind of, as you can see, super similar to Duolingo. And then you just see a lot of gamification. You can see all the levels. You can see talk. You can see your profile. Then here is and then you can just invite it here and do like a lucky draw so you can win something. So that's kind of the idea, and then you can just get a lot of free coins in here. So there you have it.